Hey, we're about to transform our Christmas tree with this rotating 360-degree stand. It's got a speaker on it. We're really excited about this. All right, when you get this out of the box, you've got this base piece. You've got 4 legs. I've got 3 of them attached. Look, all you do is just take this and you're just gonna slide it in there. It'll lock in place. This thing has a really wide base, so it's nice and stable. The key is these collars. This is gonna fit 0.8 all the way up to 1.5 inches on the trunk on your tree, on your artificial tree. So you just have to pick the right collar, slide it down in there and tighten it. I'll show you how to do that. So there's the current stand. Here is the new stand. You see how big of a profile this is. Okay, go down in. Okay, it's sitting in there. So just hold it for a second. You're just gonna put it in here and you just crank this down and just turn it clockwise, and then it squeezes the collar on the inside and it makes that tree nice and stable. There is music mode. It's gonna have some Christmas carols on there. I can't play the music in this video because otherwise Amazon's gonna mute it. So there is a light button so I can turn the lights on and off with this remote, in addition to the ones I already have built into the lights. Right here on the remote is a Bluetooth button. Click that. You're gonna be able to connect your phone and play any Christmas song you want through the speaker on the stand. So if you get tired of the preloaded Christmas carols that are on here, hook your phone up, you're gonna have unlimited Christmas songs. Now your whole tree is on display. All your hard work, all the ornaments can rotate around. So it's not very fast. Of course, you don't really want it to be fast whipping around. You don't want your ornaments flying everywhere. But this is gonna be a great conversation piece. When you have your Christmas party, the kids are gonna love this. It just takes the Christmas tree and elevates it and makes it a lot of fun. So there's the final product, lit up. It's rotating. Go ahead and put your music on, put the gifts below the tree. It's just a totally different feeling. Just take your Christmas tree and you're gonna elevate it. I absolutely love this. Everybody in my family loves this. So if you wanna elevate your Christmas tree and make it a lot of fun, definitely pick this stand up. That is my quick review. Thanks for watching.